Now that your minds are open, I would like to tell you my goal for this talk, which is to change your perspective on many things. How about this for one? This man is wearing what we call a bee beard, a beard full of bees. Now, this is what many of you might picture when you think about honeybees. Maybe insects, or maybe anything that has more legs than two. And let me start by telling you, I gotcha. I understand that. But there are many things to know, and I want you to open your minds here, keep them open, and change your perspective about honeybees. Notice that this man is not getting stung. He probably has a queen bee tied to his chin, and the other bees are attracted to it. So this really demonstrates our relationship with honeybees, and that goes deep back for thousands of years. We're very co-evolved because we depend on bees for pollination and even more recently as an economic commodity. Many of you may have heard that honeybees are disappearing, not just dying, but they're gone. We don't even find dead bodies. This is called colony collapse disorder, and it's bizarre. Researchers around the globe still do not know what's causing it. But what we do know is that with the declining numbers of bees, the costs of over 130 fruit and vegetable crops that we rely on for food is going up in price. So honeybees are important for their role in the economy as well as in agriculture. Here you can see some pictures of what are called green roofs, or urban agriculture. We're familiar with the image on the left that shows a local neighborhood garden in the south end. That's where I call home, have a beehive in the backyard, and perhaps a green roof in the future when we're further utilizing urban areas where there are stacks of garden spaces. Check out this image above the orange line in Boston. Let's try to spot the beehive. It's there. It's on the rooftop, right on the corner there, and it's been there for a couple of years now. The way that urban beekeeping currently operates is that the beehives are quite hidden. And it's not because they need to be, it's just because people are uncomfortable with the idea. And that's why I want you today to try to think about this. Think about the benefits of bees in cities and why they really are a terrific thing. Let me give you a brief rundown on how pollination works. So we know flowers, we know fruits and vegetables, even some alfalfa and hay that the livestock for the meats that we eat rely on pollinators. But you've got male and female parts to a plant here, and basically pollinators are attracted to plants for their nectar. And in the process, a bee will visit some flowers and pick up some pollen, or that male kind of sperm counterpart, along the way, and then travel to different flowers. And eventually, an apple, in this case, will be produced. You can see the orientation. The stem is down. The blossom end has fallen off by the time we eat it. But that's a basic overview of how pollination works.